Alright. Hear me out. TikTok, we're gonna go on a journey together. I don't know what possessed me. I got mozzarella sticks and croissant batter. And we're gonna make some mozzarella sticks, alright? What the hell am I doing with my life? Alright, we're gonna get our cheese. You know what? I should not be throwing stuff in this tiny kitchen. We're gonna peel these cheese sticks because we're fancy and like that, and we're gonna cut them in half. Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna get the croissant. Didn't bust. Just like how they make them. Smack it to break it. Hold up. Oh. Now, do we fry the dough or do we bake the dough? I wasn't supposed to tear it apart. Now we're just gonna dress. We're gonna dress the mozzarella. Put on your makeup, you whore. I'm also gonna put some breadcrumbs in it because I'm a bougie bitch like that. I'm depressed. Now we wanna roll it like we're rolling a. Why am I wearing an apron? Who wears an apron? Now that I think about it, can you even fry croissant batter? I'm gonna find out. I'm not gonna lie, that looks pretty good. Or sorry, while I'm making these. Yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna put one in here. Alright, I don't know what the temperature is at because it's at 191 Celsius, which I'm pretty sure that's pretty low, but that's okay. Make sure you want to get your oil hot because I put it in there cold. I know I burnt it just a tiny bit, I'm sorry, but look at that, it looks like a Twinkie! This one on the other hand is just, it's like a chicken chitlet. Back in the oven you go. Look, I know they don't look that good right now. Wait, that's the wrong channel. Yo. This one just came out of the oven. That's good. The fried one. The one that looks like they can put me in a cardiac arrest. Cheese is barely melted, but the crust. Croissant. I don't even know what to say. Never mind. The oil. Deep fried Oreo flavor. So, the oven is in fact the best way to make these things. And would I make them again? Yeah, they're pretty good party snacks. Even though I'm not having a party because I'm lonely. But, no. I wouldn't make these again, right? I'm making more! Dude, help me! Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, checking this out. Make sure to share, like, because that gives me inspiration to make more content for y'all. And I know I'm starting off small, but I want to do crazy things for y'all, like make crazy foods. So, yeah. Y'all have a good rest of your day. Be safe out there, drink responsibly, and have a good one.